How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 65 Malibu Chevelle SS. This is a true 138 VIN car, done in correct Regal Red with the red interior. It's had a complete restoration probably about 6 years ago, I was told, by the previous owner. Very nice. All the chrome on the car is very nice. The bumpers and the grills. All the panel fitment's nice. All the deck lid trim looks like new, and the taillight housings, the rear bumpers all been re-chromed. Very nice little car. Car drives out beautifully. The original motor has been replaced. It's got a mild built 350 aluminum intake and 4-barrel. It's got all electronic ignition. It's got your power brakes. It's got power steering. Got aluminum radiator in it. Very, very nice car, guys. You had to bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going. The jams are all real nice. I really like the red interior. It's got the factory gauge package. It also has a trio of gauges underneath that are a little more accurate. Headliner's really nice and tight. All the interior's been replaced. It's all new. It's got the original center console in it. Factory bucket seat car. Factory jack and spare, everything here. Comes with a car cover. Trunk floor looks real nice. Did a direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. I'll tell you, it's a very, very nice car. It's got updated with front seat belts. I'll tell you, all the grill and everything really looks good in the car. Really nicely detailed. Fires right up. It's got 350 turbo trans. Got a nice ceramic coated headers and a nice 2.5-inch dual Flowmasters out the back, stock location. Nice little cam in it. Nice little car, guys. Get in this car, drive it anywhere you want to go, cruise, have fun, go to your shows. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Changes daily. great day, folks.